Leading a horse isn't just about holding a rope, it's about trust, calm energy and communication. In this video we'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, let's get the head collar on. This is how we start the connection. Before we move, it's important to pause. Horses respond to how we feel. Watch for their ear and eye to turn towards you. This shows they're tuned in. Use small amounts of pressure down the lead rope to gently gain their attention. When you're both ready, look where you want to go and step forward confidently. Horses look to us for leadership, and our energy sets the tone. When you've reached your destination, consciously stop. Exhale, stop your feet, and allow your calm to signal the horse to stop too. Steps to lead a horse calmly. Be present and calm. Gain their attention. Step forwards with confidence. Keep connected. Stop consciously and praise. Practice these steps with presence and patience, and you'll build a better bond every time.